Okay, so from here you go to this side, and then you go to receiving address. Then here you type your real name. So I say this is my name, and the telephone number that you created with it. And here the region that you are in, I'm in Ghana, so I'm in Ashanti region. So if you're in Nigeria or any other place, you can say Lagos or anywhere in the world that you are. Okay, and your address could be anything right here. So this is my address, and then you tap on this. Okay, save successfully. So it's successfully saved. Okay, so from there, then you come to this side, you click on start grabbing others. You see, so when it comes to submit order, you do this for 3 times. Okay, you do this for 3 times. Okay, 3 orders per day. That's all you have to do. Okay, so you click here again. Submit. And then you click again. And then you submit your order. Okay, it says order completed, so you are done for the day. You see, you are done. I said today order is over, please repeat tomorrow. So you will keep on doing this each and every single day. Okay, so if you want to withdraw, you come here, you go to see my balance right now. This is my available balance. And freezing balance means in case you do it and your network glitches. Okay, I say there's glitches in your network and it freezes, you just have to come here. Right now I don't have any freezing account amount, so I will teach you. I will do a video of that one too and send to you guys. Okay, so well, I wasn't coming here. Okay, so if you want to withdraw, you just come to this side, withdraw, then you choose the cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw to. It can be any crypto right here, but mostly I would advise you either use BTC, Ethereum or USDT, but I prefer USDT, so you choose USDT, then done. Okay, your rename, then your crypto address. You see, so if you have Binance, like